conservative nature of our industry forces us to kind of think whether it is a yes or a no. Right? Let me ask you a counter question. Would work from home culture continue to stay post COVID? Right? Obviously, yes, right? We know that. There are so many exclusive work from home positions also that companies have started now, which is going to stay. Would it continue in the same manner in which it is happening now because the offices are closed? Probably not. Newer hybrid models would emerge, right? I would say consider COVID as a phase, as a catalyst, post which newer attitudes, newer behaviors, newer practices will emerge, right? It may not again be exactly the same, but we will see new hybrids, something continuing, something discontinuing will happen. Coming to digital marketing, right? Digital marketing in pharma, I believe it was something which was always waiting to happen. We were just thinking, who will make it happen? Is it the consulting groups? They will come and create a project for us to make it happen? Or it is the new digital lead that we'll hire, he'll make it happen. I think COVID just simplified jobs of everyone, right? And when all the traditional sales and marketing practices were put to rest, there was no other option but to accept and adopt digital by most of the brands. And that's what happened, right? And if you ask marketing team for any brand, now they feel so much more comfortable and confident in using the media. And obviously, it is so much easier to use than the traditional sales and marketing channels, right? Which is so difficult to keep track of, keep control of. Right? So obviously, this is going to continue. It is not going away. And it will help in bringing more efficiencies, more effectiveness in the overall ecosystem. Does it mean that sales reps will be downsized? I don't think so either. I think it will always be about rationalization of usage of different resources, right? It's a new media mix that we will see that will emerge post-COVID era, which will combine the best of sales reps with the best of digital, and it will help in bringing efficiencies and effectiveness and the overall ecosystem. It will change a lot of other things also. Like I strongly believe that data-driven scenario planning will emerge. Right? There'll be so much data that now brand teams, marketeers would have access to now. And they would really like to use to take decision makings. We will see emergence of different workflows in this kind of an unstable environment that if A happens and it touches this kind of a peak or a trough, we will do plan B. If this doesn't happen, we'll go straight away to plan C, etc., etc. There'll be so many scenarios and it will be so easy to take decisions even in an unstable environment without compromising anything on the business, right? Also, I believe that our marketing models in pharma will change. We are primarily a push-based marketing model when it comes to pharma. When we keep pushing our product, please prescribe our product, please prescribe our product, right? It will probably change to pull-based marketing model when the sales rep are not there, right? But doctors still need it. Doctors want to know what's happening in the industry, what's happening in the category. How can they treat their patients in the best possible way, right? So they will continue to search online, look for more information which is relevant. What are those right drugs which they can prescribe? How can patients get access to it, etc., etc., right? So those changes will happen. And I see brands kind of the thinking will change. They will start thinking from a consumer journey point of view. I always get inspired from consumer marketing, right? Let me give you an example. Like if I want to buy a new phone today, I would go up online, start searching which are those newer phones that are available. And if I can narrow down to a brand, I will look at what are other patients, or sorry, not patients, these are people. What do other people think about that phone? Look at the reviews, compare prices, go online, check where is it available, potentially buy it. Right? Think about a patient journey also. When I'm experiencing abdominal pain, even now I visit Google, right? Ask abdominal pain, what do I do? Although Google always says it's cancer, but sometimes it tells the right things also. And based on that, you decide either to go to a doctor or manage it on your own if it is not so serious. Then to select a doctor, you also go on certain portals and try to find a doctor who's near your house, look at the reviews, then book an appointment, right? That's the journey. Now, a brand also needs to be present at all the places to be able to influence you in the decision making process as a patient, right? Even as a doctor, the journey is exactly the same. When I wanted to look for certain information, I typed on Google, found something, went on a site, then it took me to a brand.com, and that's how my journey was completed, right? So the marketing models will change, but I strongly believe digital is here to stay. Exactly the same form it is being used right now when sales rep are grounded? Probably not. Would it revert back to the pre-COVID era? Probably not. But a newer hybrid model will emerge, which will improve the efficiencies of the overall ecosystem. I think, yeah, that's all I had to say. Thank you so much. You are a wonderful audience. It was a pleasure to speak in front of all of you. Thank you.